Okay, this example says we have 200 joules worth of gasoline, which is actually a very small amount of gasoline, that is burned and converted to electricity. It says how much heat is produced if the reaction is 80% efficient. Now, what that means is we have the law of conservation of energy. The law of conservation of energy says that if I have 200 joules to start, I have to have 200 joules to finish. Now, that doesn't mean that all the energy is producing electricity. In fact, it means that some of it is used to produce heat. And in fact, you can use this efficiency, this percentage, to determine how much is each. So, if the reaction is 80% efficient, what I can do is I can say 200 times 0.8, and what that does is that gives me 160 joules. What that would be is that would be the amount of electricity that's produced, because it's 80% efficient, which means 80% of the energy goes where I want it to go. Well, remember, no matter what, I have to have 200 joules to finish. So what that means is that there's a missing 40 joules. And that 40 joules is the heat that's generated as a result. Law of conservation of energy is going to hold because I have to have 200 joules on each side. Now, only 160 joules is usable, stuff that I can use in terms of whatever I want to do to light a light bulb or so forth, or something like that. But I have 40 joules that is lost as some sort of excess energy.